In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Snapchat account as a beginner or as a first-time user. To create a Snapchat account as a beginner, first of all, you must have to install Snapchat on your phone. You can get the app either on Play Store or App Store. And right here is the app. You can come here and tap and open the app. If you install the app for the first time, you will see this. You can see here sign up. Sign up means you want to create a new account. Just tap on this sign up. And you can see here get started. Tap on this continue. And you can see allow Snapchat to access your contacts. Tap on allow. Tap on allow again. And you can see what's your name. So come here and put your name. And I will come here and put my name, for instance. If you put your name, tap on this agree and continue. You can see birthday. So come here down here and select your birthday and birth date. If you're done, tap on this continue. And you can see here your name is Uki Urienya. So you can tap on this change my username and then change your name. But for me, I'll leave it on this name here, Uki Urienya. So and come here and tap on this continue. And you can see right here set a password. So come here and set a password, and it mustn't be less than 8 characters. So I'll come here and set a password in this format. You can see password looks good. If you put a password here, come here and tap on this continue. It's processing. So on this page, you can see here put a phone number. So you can use a phone number or email. So you can come here, you can see here use email instead. You can tap on this use email instead and use email instead of phone number. But for this tutorial, I will use a phone number. So I will come here and put my phone number. If you put your phone number, come here and tap on this continue. You can see here confirm your phone number. So right now they have sent a code to this phone number, which I will confirm right here. So if you get the code which they will send to your WhatsApp, you can come here and enter the code right here. You can see once you put the code, it will process automatically and load. And you can see that right now my account has been created. I've created my account. And if you create your account, to get into this page with a list of friends you can add. You can see here are the people you can add some friends. Those you don't know, you can just tap and add them. You can see here add friends. Add friends. You can tap right here add friends and then maybe begin to add friends. But right now I don't want to add any friend right now, so I can go back. It's still processing anyway. You can see it as done selection. I can unselect these ones. I can uncheck them. I don't want to add friends here, so you can see here skip. You can tap on this skip to skip this page here. You can see here skip, so skip here. So on this page you can skip here too. So on this page you can see here to allow Snapchat, please allow access to your local storage. You can tap on this turn on. You can tap on this allow to record audio. And you can see that right now I have created my Snapchat account. Here is my profile icon. I can tap here and do several setup. For instance, I can tap here. So right here I can do or complete my setup. I can add my profile emoji picture if I wish to. You can see here's my name, Uki Urienya. I can see right. So you can scroll down here and do several setup. You can see add friends. You can tap on this add friends and add a list of friends. So you can scroll down. Maybe later I will show you on how to use Snapchat as a beginner. But right now I have created my Snapchat account as a beginner. So you can see if I tap here my account, I will see my account. I can go back. You can see, right? So right now I've created my Snapchat account. So guys, that is it. In my next video, I'll show you how you can operate or use Snapchat as a beginner. Thanks for watching and bye.